Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to study I Float My Paper Boats. This poem has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore got the Nobel Prize for Literature. He was the first Indian to get Nobel Prize. He got Nobel Prize in 1913 for his book Gitanjali. Gitanjali is a collection of poems. Today we are going to read I Float My Paper Boats. Rabindranath Tagore has also written our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. He has also written the national anthem of Bangladesh, which is Amar Sonar Bangla. Now come to the poem. I am going to recite the poem. Day by day I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with shively flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the right. In this poem, the poet is talking about his childhood. The child floats paper boats. It is a work that is done by children. You must have float your paper boat when it is rainy season. This child floats his boats daily. He floats it day by day. And where does it float? He floats down the running stream. When he makes his boats, that time he writes his name on the boat. He also writes the name of his village on the boat. He loads shively flowers on the boat. He brings flowers from his garden. He uses black letters to write his name, the name of his village. There is a couch behind it. There is a hope in the mind of the child, in the mind of the poet, that with this running stream, my paper boat will reach to another distance, another place. When someone will find the paper boat, that time he will know about me, who I am, as he has written his name, the name of his village. So when a person will get that boat, it is sure that he will know his name. He will know his village names and shively flowers that he load on the boats, that are the symbol of love. That is a message. Children thinks by finding these boats, they will become his friend. He is using paper boat as a symbol of love, and for making it symbol of love, he is putting shivli flowers from his garden. Time has changed. Now we have Facebook friends, we have friends on social media. But there was a time when these facilities were not available. That time pen friends were available. You only write them. It was also a technique for the child to make friends, and he wants to make friends with the help of paper boat. So paper boat is here a means of making friendship. He thinks that when there will be blooms of down, that time it will reach to a right land, correct place, and the person who will get that boat, he will know about him and he will become his friends. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.